Now I don't care about that part. I bust the windows out your car after I saw you laying next to her. I didn't wanna, but I took my turn. I'm glad I did it, 'cause you had to learn. I must admit it helped a little bit to think of how you feel when you saw it. I didn't know that I had that much strength, but I'm glad you see what happens when you see you can't just play with people's feelings. Tell them you love them, man, don't mean it. You'll probably say that it was juvenile, but I think that I deserve to smile. I bust the windows out your car. You know I did it 'cause I left my mark. Wrote my initials with the crowbar, and then I drove up into the dark. I bust the windows out your car. You should feel lucky that that's all I did. And after 5 whole years of this bullshit, gave you all of me and you played with it. Na na na. Donne-moi ton cœur, na na na.